तुमने इस वीडियो पे क्लिक किया है, सो आई थिंक यू आर नॉट गेटिंग योर फर्स्ट फ्रीलांसिंग क्लाइंट। मुझे एक बंदे ने इंस्टाग्राम पे डीएम किया कि सब ये बोलते हैं ये सीख लो वो सीख लो क्लाइंट मिल जाएगा, बट कोई स्टेप बाय स्टेप प्रोसेस नहीं बताता। सो या इन दिस वीडियो आई विल टेल यू स्टेप बाय स्टेप प्रोसेस टू गेट योर फर्स्ट फ्रीलांसिंग क्लाइंट, एंड आई विल गिव वन ऑन वन मेंटरशिप ऑन गूगल मीट टू सम ऑफ यू ऑन हाउ टू गेट योर फर्स्ट फ्रीलांसिंग क्लाइंट फॉर एब्सोल्युटली फ्री, जिसके बारे में वीडियो में मैंने आगे बताया। एंड व्हाइल वाचिंग दिस वीडियो प्लीज कीप अ पेन एंड पेपर विथ यू। फ्रॉम फाइंडिंग क्लाइंट टू रीचिंग out to the client, I have divided it into 4 steps. Please make a note that I'm considering you have a skill. In this video, I'm only going to teach you how to get your first client. Step number 1, before reaching out to the client, you have to make sure that you have a decent portfolio with at least 2 to 3 projects should be there, because that's how they will give you work based on your portfolio. Step number 2, write down who can hire you as a freelancer. Like I have video editing and web development skills, so I will take example of video editing. So first one will be he can be a senior video editor with 10 plus year of experience. So second one will be a video editing agency. Third, he can be a YouTuber. Fourth, a person who is currently hiring a video editor. So these are the 4 types of person who can hire me as a freelance video editor. Step number 3, now we are going to find these people, and for that I'm going to use LinkedIn, and then we will message them or email them. So let's get into the computers. So first one was someone senior to me in this field with a good amount of experience. To find these people, what you can do is open LinkedIn and search your skill and apply the filters to people. Now you will see bunch of people who have same skill as you with good amount of experience. Send them a connection request. When they will accept your connection request, you can message them or email them. If they can give you some work, and do share your portfolio link with them. And for second one, some agency or company, you just have to change the filter from people to companies. Now you will see list of companies who are in the same niche as you. Go to their employee section and message and email every employee of that company if they can forward your CV and portfolio link with the hiring manager. Third one is YouTuber. You can pick any YouTuber you want, go to their about section and you will find their email and message them. Now fourth one, how to find a person who is hiring for a particular skill. Same thing, go to LinkedIn and search hiring and your skill name. Apply the filter to post and date posted to past 24 hours. Now you will see bunch of people who are hiring. You can message or email them. Step number 4, you have to send 100 message or emails a day to get your first freelancing client, and do share your portfolio link with them. Now I am going to give one-on-one mentorship to first 100 to 200 people who will comment below this video on how to get your first freelancing client for absolutely free. The format of comment should be your skill name, do you have a portfolio, and what you want to ask me on Google Meet.